Hi folks, and welcome to this video presentation of this 2014. This is a hideout. It's a rear kitchen with a small slide out, great floor plan, popular. You can take it most anywhere. We'll start on the inside and we'll finish up on the outside. This is going to be a Model 23 RKS. It's going to be overall length probably somewhere around 26 or 7 with hitch to bumper if you're going to put it in a garage or shop. It is going to have a rear kitchen, and what's nice about a rear kitchen is it typically has some good little drain board area there to prepare food on. That way you've got upper cabinets here, so you've got extra storage that's going to be inside here. I like that. It's got really quite nice, really beautiful cathedral type cabinetry, solid, looks like oak, but it's definitely a hardwood there. Then you got storage down below there, and then your drawers here that are full extension, which are nice as well. And of course, everything's just really easy to get to here. And when you have a slide out, the slide out is out there right now. It's got a couch it makes into a quick folding bed. And then you also have this additional either wardrobe space or pantry space here. And then you got your booth across here. So if you ever get guests and everything, what's nice about this floor plan is that you can kind of sit across from each other and have a conversation and just kind of really a nice little social atmosphere. You also have a really nice big window that way that looks onto the patio. So if you have guests or if you're inside looking at the kids, watching them and the grandkids, whatever, making sure everyone's having a good time and being safe that way, it makes it a real nice, very user-friendly floor plan. That's why this rear kitchen design has been around for so many years. And so you do have storage up there, a place for a TV here, and then also they put in more pantry space in this area as well, or maybe even some linen space if you need to, because the way that's set up with this bathroom, it's a very open concept design. It has the shower area here, and the sink with the actual toilet is going to end up being in its own room and all that. But you see it's got a nice big shower there with the glass door. You got your sink in this area and lots of floor space. And then in there they do have the private toilet, which is nice as well if you have guests and everything. You've got a nice queen walk around bed here. And it's got, oops, I touched, okay, that's just a screen. That's been placed down there, a couple of them when they took them off there. And we've got the actual screen since it's a fresh trade. This also is going to be an emergency escape and a window that vents out the side there as well. And then you've got your full-length closets on both sides here with storage above at the head of the bed. So again, real nice, nice setup with a great layout. It does have a doorway that goes in and out of the master there as well as your main door back over here. And then we'll kind of head outside and show you some of the layout features and advantages that way. I like the little grab handle when you're going in and out of your main entry. It does have custom wheels on it, so it makes nice aluminum type, or at least looks like a nicer rim there. It's cool, the grab handle. The awning here is going to be a push button power awning, so that makes it nice. You also have heavy duty scissor jacks at all four corners, I see. And you're going to have the vent out there, the outside shower, your city water, and a power supply that's right behind there. And we've got the ladder, which makes it real nice if you ever need to go up and do any servicing. Guarantee has free roof inspections twice a year for our clients, so take advantage of that. You do have your hot water and your satellite hookup right here. And then your slide out we saw. And then you're going to have your openings here, and you can see they're really large doors, so big advantages there if you do want to put bigger coolers and not be banging your fingers and knuckles and all that. Having that nice high height in that area there makes it a real advantage as well. You've got the large tank covers here, and you've got room for the batteries that are on here. When we sell a used trailer, we'll make sure that we have a good battery working for you. We do a starter kit and a walk around showing you how to use everything. If you have questions at the end of the video, you'll see a phone number. Please give me a call. I'd love to help. Been here 28 years, working on my 29th. And it's a great opportunity right now for financing. Banks are pretty much keeping rates at really good numbers right now, which helps your payments. And if you have any questions at the end of the video, let me know, write them down, and let's make a list. And remember, at Guarantee in Junction City, it's an RV show every day.